Hello what's up guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you how to give an awesome and stunning look to your Windows 10 PC. Watch the video carefully to give an incredible look to your Windows 10. So, without wasting time, let's get started. First, let me remove this huge search box option, as it looks very weird. All you want to do is right click on taskbar, then from here go to Cortana, and click on hidden option. As you can see, the big search box has gone. Now let me remove this Cortana option from my taskbar. You can hide the Cortana icon in the same way, like right click on taskbar and go to Cortana option, and from here click on hidden, and your Cortana option has gone. As most of us don't need this task view icon, so let me remove that as well. So for that, right click on taskbar, and from here uncheck task view option, and the task view icon will be gone. Now as you can see here, we see small icons. We don't want to see all of them here all the time. So remove the unwanted icons. Remove the unwanted ones from here just by holding them one by one and dragging them here to this symbol, and it will be removed one by one. And leave the important icons like battery, Wi-Fi and speaker. Now let me bring some important icons to the center of taskbar so it looks pretty cool, and for that you also don't need to install any software or any third-party app. First of all, you want to right click here, and from here go to toolbar, then click on links, and then right click on taskbar and uncheck the lock taskbar option. Then drag and drop links from left to extreme right side till Windows icon. Now drag these icons to the center and right click on links. Then from here uncheck show title. Now lock the taskbar just by right clicking on the taskbar and check lock the taskbar icon. And yeah, my icon has come to the center. As you can see on my date and time place, I do not see day like which day is today, where it is Monday or Tuesday, etc. So to bring day, here you want to click on Windows, and from here click on Settings, then go to Time and Language, and scroll it down, and just below the relative settings, just click on Additional Date and Time, just click on Additional Date and Time and Regional Settings, click on Change Date and Time, and click on Change Calendar Settings. And click here in front of short date box and type D 3 times. Then click on Apply. As here you can see that it has come to my date and time area. Now OK all these one by one. And close these windows. Whenever I go to Start menu, I see these boxes. I don't want to see them. So what am I going to do is select them one by one by right clicking on it and click on Unpin from here. Then repeat the steps with all of them one by one. Once you unpin all of them, just click outside and then again go to Start menu. And yeah, my Start menu now looks cool. You can also customize the size from here. Sometimes we don't want our desktop icons. To remove desktop icons, just right-click anywhere on the screen and go to the views, then uncheck show desktop icons. It will hide your desktop icons and you can bring them in the same way. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, smash the thumbs up button and do not forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.